Alright, I got my campsite for tonight at Escalante Petrified Forest State Park. I decided to forego the cabin and camp in the rain. Get the best sleep you can get. Alright, I tucked away in my truck camp. It's a little bit cool. It's not bad though. I'm not in the sleeping bag yet. I'm getting ready to watch me a movie on my phone and chill out for a while. I don't know if you can hear it, it's raining. We're supposed to have thunderstorms tonight, so this should be fun. But that's when I sleep my best, man. The Finnish people or Dutch people camping next to me, and I could hear them talking. They talk really loud. And I heard one of them say, Hugen Schlugen. And I'm pretty sure that means fuck you in Finnish. Don't laugh at that. This is a family channel. Don't laugh at that. If you guys can hear that, it's pretty heavy rain. It's some thunder. Thunder and lightning. So far so good on the leaks and stuff. So far not any. Good morning everybody. I'm using my headlight as a little light. Maybe that's too bright. Oh, I'm wide awake. Nice and cozy in here. It rained all night last night, and it was actually pretty nice. It's fun camping in the rain in here. Nice and cozy. And I've just kind of been up. I made some coffee last night while it wasn't raining, and just sort of using my shoes as a holder, and just watched a movie, a couple of documentaries on YouTube. Just relaxed, man. I just finally, this is my first time I've actually got to camp, I think. Where I actually got to set up, build a fire, set my tarp up outside my truck, and have a little place to get out of the rain if I didn't want to be in here. And I'll need it this morning when I pack up. But yeah, right now I'm just chilling out in here, enjoying the rain. So I'm up and moving and packed up and ready to roll, but I didn't want to leave this little Petrified Forest State Park. It's Escalante Petrified Forest State Park without at least checking out some of the petrified wood they got hiding around here. So we'll go do that real quick, and then we'll head on to Hell's Backbone. Looks like it should be really muddy, but it's not. It's hard packed. We're Escalante Petrified Forest State Park. I want to be sure I say it right because it obviously doesn't get much attention, but it's a cool little place, and it's probably one of my favorite places I've camped so far. A new camp spot that hadn't been used, so I liked it. And not to mention the storms and the rain. It was I just slept so good, other than all my stuff being soaked this morning. Had to put it in the truck wet, but hey, that's part of it, man. And there's a neat little lake here that I didn't really get time to go look at. Anyway, we're gonna go check out Hell's Backbone. It says not to do it in the rain, so we're gonna go to the entrance of it, have a look. If it looks too bad, we'll just have to turn around. We'll turn around where we feel uncomfortable, and that's the only thing we can do. I have done this road before, but it was bone dry, so I don't know what this is going to be like, but you can see how cloudy the mountains are up there. It's very foggy, but it's a little early in the morning. But if any of this road is washed out or anything at all, then I'll probably turn back. I don't want to risk it. I'm not trying to make one of them kind of videos where you get to watch me get in a mess. Yeah, so I've already shifted this thing into four-wheel drive. Hey, we'll do like we did before. Use all the buttons, and of course mud is a whole nother animal, you know. But all the technology this truck offers, and maybe we'll be all right. It is getting kind of slick in a few places. I mean, there is gravel to grab a hold of traction, but it's not steep at the moment. We're now on National Forest property, and I'm hoping that the road is, hope it's safe. Best thing we can do is take our time and do like we did the other day, slow and easy. Just seen a Ford Focus come blowing down through here like it wasn't nothing, so maybe it's all right. All right, it's already very muddy. Let's keep rolling here a little bit more. See how bad they are. See how bad this road deteriorates, because it's still got rain in the forecast. So far it's just a flat, straight road, but it does have a steep incline coming up. Oh, I think I might, I don't know. Let's keep going a little further. I may go up here and just turn around and call it a day on this one. This is steep, muddy, and slippery. So before I have to get all the way up there and then turn around and come back down this, yeah, I'm not interested. So I'm gonna take it easy, ease on back down, and move on to plan C. I think we'll be okay. Yeah, you can see by the look of the truck that was a bad idea. Look at the ground, look. It's just too soft, man. It's just too soft. So it's like that all over the road. Whew. Getting my uphill sprints in for today. And 7,000 feet of elevation. Even better for them old lungs. You gotta take deep breaths. You're way up here trying to run. Get some good views over in this area. Heading back down in this, we're still in the Dixie Forest. I mean, it's a beautiful forest. You wouldn't have been able to see what I wanted to show you anyway. I think the fog's too heavy up there. See, the road was actually trying to wash out right there. It wasn't bad, of course, but you know, it could easily be a huge ditch that you'd have to cross. There will be plenty of stuff to check out on our way down, so to the Grand Canyon. And I'm camping there tonight too. And I was lucky to get a spot, so I'm happy about that. Well, the sun's trying to peek through, but this is still too wet. I think it'd take it at least a day to be safe to drive on. There's still more rain in the forecast, so we're still going along with the next plan. All right, so we are going to be able to get a good little view of the Grand Staircase National Monument. It'll be an okay view, but it won't be the best view, but hey, we'll try. We do what we can do. Yeah, hopefully we'll see some more cool things along the way. The speed limit right here is 30, so I need to slow her way down. All right, y'all, sketchy driving here. Gotta pay attention to the road. Stop at every one of these overlooks and outlooks and pull-bys and all that, pull-offs, but I would never make it out of here. I'd never make it to my next destination. Oh, I just stopped and had the biggest freaking hamburger, big double bacon cheeseburger from Rustler's Restaurant in Tropic, Utah. So shout out to them. It was freaking good. It was good. Hopefully I can eat there again someday. Well, I wasn't going to stop here in Bryce Canyon. I'm driving through it right now. But it's not every day you get to drive through or go to Bryce Canyon. If you, Bryce Canyon National Park, that is, if you don't know, if you've never heard of it, it's one of the best ones. That is some thick fog. I guess technically we're up in the clouds. All right, we're in Bryce Canyon. I don't know how much of the stuff we can see from the viewpoints, but we're definitely not hiking in this muddy mess. I'll tell you that. People, Bryce Canyon wasn't really in the plan anyway. We'll try. Hey, we'll try. We're gonna go back here and go to the overlooks, but I have a feeling that we're not going to be able to see too much of it. Now, right there on the other side of those trees, right out there in the fog, is some red rocks that are beautiful to look at. If you can just imagine them right now, how cool they are. But right now, you ain't going to be able to see them. Maybe we get lucky when we get up here and we can see a couple of things. We may get out. It's not too muddy. We can get out and walk to some of them. These are still some really pretty forests though in this fog like this. I don't consider it a complete bust. I mean, it could be better, but I mean, we don't have woods that look like that at home. Oh, he's a big old salad, man. Yes. Well, Bryce Canyon, as you can see, is a bust. Well, I don't consider anything a complete bust. But you can't see any of the cool rock formations without walking to them. And if you walk to them, that orange mud
turn right to stay on Farview
cakes
Point,
up on
then
you,
turn right onto Utah 63.
and you can't get it off. It's like clay. It looks like the only thing we're going to see today is fog until we get to the Grand Canyon. So we better go on. Don't want it to get dark on us too. Right now we're going through Red Canyon. It looks pretty cool. We ain't even to the bottom of it yet. We're going down into it. Been here 4 times. I'm basically a local. This is the cool little town of Kanab. We're not far from the Arizona state line.